The Hutchinson River flows along the eastern edge of Co-op City in the Bronx. This shallow, calm tidal channel has completely frozen over. We travel 1.2 miles south from the Interstate 95 bridge to the Hutchinson River Parkway drawbridge. The last major freeze here occurred on January 5, 2018, and now again in February 2026. Wetlands are part of Pelham Bay Park, the largest park in New York City. This section of the river is also an active industrial waterway, where barges transport scrap metal from nearby yards. Today, total winter silence.